Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to enter a promo code for when ordering on Grubhub. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get started. So guys, the first thing we want to do is to go ahead over to the official grubhub.com website right here, or go ahead and open up the Grubhub application on your mobile phone. After doing that guys, go ahead and log into your account, and after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where you can see all the options that you have for ordering. You can see all of your restaurants and so on. If you're on your mobile phone, it's going to look a bit different. You're going to see it like this. Your options will be at the bottom of the page and so on. But now guys, let's say that we want to use a promo code when ordering something. So the first thing we have to do is to go ahead and find what we want to order. So let's say we want to order from this restaurant right here. Open up the restaurant that you want to order from. Find guys what you want to order. Click on the item that you want to order. And you can go ahead and select whatever you want to select. Just select whatever you want, the quantity and so on, size, and the option right here. Select everything you need and add it to your bag. So guys, after you have added it to your bag successfully, then you can get started with proceeding to the checkout. So guys, go ahead and click the proceed to the checkout option right here, and this will take you to the next page where you can get started in entering your info to make the checkout option. So guys, after you have entered all your payment info and you have payment info entered, then you'll be able to enter in your promo code. It's going to look something like this. You're going to go ahead and enter your code right here. It's going to say free grub and promo codes. So guys, go ahead and enter the info right here. As you can see, I currently do not have it on my page right here because I have not entered in my payment info, so I cannot use it currently. But if you enter your payment info, the option will appear right here, and you'll just go ahead and enter your code, click order, and it will be applied. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how do you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.